Okay, so this is the desk that the pictures are showing, but I wanted to show y'all. You hear that? This is kind of textured, which is, it makes it really, really nice. And y'all, this literally took me 2 minutes to put together. Maybe 3 minutes to get it out of the box and 2 minutes to put together. Literally, this just pops off right here. And this, like, they just fit right here. Like these right, oh sorry, these right here. Just, let me see if I can get a better view. Those just literally like just go in there really, really easily. It takes just a little bit of pressure. And the detailing on this is beautiful. It does come with a price tag, but I'll remove that. Just a super great desk. And let me show you kind of the size of it on our wall in here. This is one of our smaller bedrooms. Here, let me walk out. It's a great size, y'all. Good desk, good quality desk for the price. It's awesome. Get it. You won't regret it.
All right, this desk is great quality. It took me longer to get it out of the box than to assemble it. No bolts required. You literally just pull out the metal, open up the frame, and then it just pops on. This desk is great. Great for the price. So simple. I love it.